Hi. Jodee. Hi, everyone. We're doing an unboxing video for Bergamot Wine Company. Thank you,
Marche.
Thank you, Josephine. It's Marche.
Bergamot Alley has excursions.
What?
Yes. So if you're interested, you can definitely go to their website and bergamotwine.com.
Just peek at it.
And yeah, check out the trips that are coming up. They put how to pronounce the wines.
Right. Because it must have been very frustrating for them to hear people
Especially mispronounce all the grapes and
word.
yeah.
Verdicchio.
Yes. I'll tell you about the grape.
Can you?
Yeah. As described by the current heavyweight champion of Italian grape knowledge, Ian Verdicchio is arguably Italy's greatest native white grape variety.
That's a bold statement.
So there you go. Lacrima. Lacrima is actually an Italian word you may recognize, meaning tear or teardrop. So named for the loose shape of the grapes that can resemble tears. There's very little of this grape to be found in the world, and all of it in this small clay-filled region just a few kilometers from the Adriatic Sea.
Oh, these are all Marche wines. If Italy is the boot, then it's kind of like the upper calf muscle. Yeah, aromatically pretty perfumed.
Oh yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Aliatico. This variety is an interesting example of how mistaken identities and pseudonyms can be obstacles to success.
Wow, you know the story of my life.
One word, intoxicating.
I could not get more of a nose full of that. That's amazing. Like forest floor, mushroom, rose petal. Let's try it.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Yeah, yeah.
It's really good.
I would take this over any like California Pinot all day.
Lavender and brewed cinnamon, wild strawberries and raspberries, as well as some good old-fashioned Welch's grape juice. Montepulciano.
Oh.
You did it. Thank you so much for the pronunciation. In the Marche region, it is said by locals, of course, that this grape is a different type, if not a different grape entirely from the one heavily grown in Abruzzo. Oh, Marche Madness.
Marche Madness.
Marche Madness.
Which sounds like March Madness. Which is
We're
a basketball
not talking
term.
basketball.